Hi there. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money online from the comfort of your own home. First and foremost, it's important to determine your skills and interests. What are you good at and what do you enjoy doing? This will help you find online income opportunities that align with your strengths and passions. Next, it's time to start researching potential opportunities. There are many websites and job boards out there that can help you find online income opportunities. Look for opportunities that are in demand and have the potential to be profitable. Once you've identified some potential opportunities, it's time to create a professional online presence. This includes having a strong LinkedIn profile, a well-designed website, and an up-to-date resume. In order to be successful working online, you may need to learn new skills or technologies. Consider taking online courses or getting certifications to improve your knowledge and increase your marketability. As an online worker, you may need to be flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances or new projects. Consider taking on projects that can be done remotely or that have flexible deadlines. Building relationships with other professionals in your field can also help you find new online income opportunities. Consider joining online professional groups or attending virtual networking events. Even though you are working online, it's important to treat it like a real job. This means being punctual, reliable, and delivering high-quality work. To stay focused and motivated, it can be helpful to set goals and track your progress. Use tools like a to-do list or a project management app to help you stay on track. Finally, it's important to be cautious of scams when working online. There are many illegitimate offers out there, so it's important to be careful and only work with reputable companies or individuals. One last tip: don't rely on just one online income stream. Consider having multiple sources of income to increase your financial stability and security. I hope these tips have been helpful. Thanks for watching.